Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS so you know which menus appear. Once done, plug into power if needed and connect to Wi-Fi. Open Settings and go straight to App Management, then tap the three-dot menu or more to reveal system apps. This is where the ad source often lives. Make sure you have device admin access if prompted. Proceed to locate Browser, System Services, or apps labeled Vivo or iManager, because those commonly show auto ads. Next, scan the listed system apps for iManager, Vivo Browser, System Web View, or any unfamiliar app that requests overlay or notification permission. Tap an app, choose Notifications and turn them off, then revoke Draw Over and Launcher permissions. After that, force Stop. If the app allows, uninstall updates or disable it to remove bundled ad modules. Once you finish each app, reboot the phone to prevent cached services from respawning. This cleans running processes and ensures changes take effect. To finish, reboot and observe whether pop-ups or full-screen ads return. Make sure you test typical apps that previously showed ads. If ads persist, go back to offending apps, clear cache and storage, and then reset app preferences in settings. This often restores correct defaults. If none of that stops intrusive ads, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember to reinstall only trusted apps. If problems continue, check for a recent app you installed just before ads began.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.